Welcome to my channel. Stop scrolling right now. This story can change your life if you listen carefully. Ali was 19 years old. He had a simple dream. He wanted to speak English with confidence and respect. He wanted a good job. He wanted to help his family. But every time he spoke English, people laughed at him. His words were broken. His voice was weak. One day, his teacher asked him to read in class. Ali stood up with fear. His hands were shaking badly. He forgot easy words. Students started whispering and smiling. His heart broke inside. After class, he sat alone and silent. He felt small and useless. That night, he looked at himself in the mirror. He said slowly, "Why am I so afraid?" He had no answer. His younger sister came and said, "Bye, you will learn one day." That small sentence gave him hope. He opened his notebook and wrote one line, "I will not quit." The next day, he searched for help online. He found a small English class in a library. He was scared to go there, but something inside him pushed him forward. He did not know yet, but this step would change his life forever. That fear inside him was strong, but his dream was stronger. And this was only the beginning of something powerful. Chapter 2, Ali entered the library with slow steps and a fast heartbeat. He felt nervous and uncomfortable. He wanted to run away, but he stayed. A kind man welcomed him. His name was Mr. Rahman. He had calm eyes and a warm smile. He asked Ali a simple question. "Why do you want to learn English?" Ali looked down and said, "I want to stop feeling ashamed." Mr. Rahman nodded and said, "Good, then you will learn." The class had only a few students. Everyone made mistakes, but no one laughed. This felt new to Ali. It felt safe and peaceful. Mr. Rahman gave them a simple rule. Speak one sentence every day. Do not fear mistakes. Ali tried his first sentence. It was broken and slow, but he finished it. That moment was special for him. It was his first small win. At home, he practiced in front of a mirror. He repeated words again and again. Some days he felt tired and frustrated. Some days he wanted to stop. But he remembered his goal. His mother saw his effort and said, "Keep trying, Beta." Days passed slowly. Ali started understanding more words. He started speaking a little better. It was not perfect, but it was progress. And progress gave him confidence. For the first time in his life, he felt that maybe he could really learn English if he continued trying every single day. Chapter 3. Life became harder for Ali as days passed. His father lost his job suddenly. The house felt full of stress and silence. Money problems started growing. Ali had to take a part-time job at a small shop. He worked long hours every day. He came home tired and exhausted. Many nights, he skipped his English practice. Slowly, he started losing confidence again. One evening, he went to Mr. Rahman and said, "Sir, I think I cannot do this anymore." Mr. Rahman looked at him seriously and said, "This is the moment that decides your future. Will you quit or continue?" Those words hit Ali deeply. That night, Ali forced himself to study. He opened a simple English storybook. He read slowly and carefully. He did not understand everything, but he kept going. One day, a customer came to the shop and spoke in English. Ali felt scared again, but this time, he did not run. He tried to reply. His sentences were not perfect, but they were clear. The customer smiled and understood him. That small moment felt like a big victory. Ali went home with tears in his eyes, but these were not tears of sadness. These were tears of hope. His family felt proud of him. That night, Ali realized something important. Progress is slow and painful, but it is real, and real progress can change everything if you never stop trying. Chapter 4. Ali decided to take a big step forward. He joined a small English speaking competition in the library. The moment he registered, fear came back strongly. His old memories returned, people laughing at him, people judging him. He felt weak again. He thought about quitting many times. But Mr. Rahman told him something powerful. Fear will always be there. You just have to walk through it. Ali started preparing every night. He wrote his speech again and again. He practiced in front of the mirror. He practiced in front of his sister. She helped him and encouraged him. The competition day arrived. Ali's heart was beating very fast. His name was called. His legs felt heavy, but he walked to the stage. He started speaking slowly. He made mistakes, but he did not stop. He continued with courage. His voice became stronger. His confidence started growing. He finished his speech with full effort. For a moment, there was silence. Then people started clapping loudly. Real applause. Ali could not believe it. He did not win first place, but it did not matter. He had done something bigger than winning. He had defeated his fear. That night, he looked at himself and smiled proudly. He was no longer the same weak boy. He was stronger now, and his journey was moving forward with real confidence. Chapter 5. Time passed, and Ali kept improving every single day. He made English a part of his life. He watched simple videos. He read easy books. He practiced speaking daily. Slowly, his confidence became strong. One day, he saw a job opportunity that required English communication. Before, he would ignore it. But now, he decided to try. He prepared for the interview carefully. He practiced common questions again and again. The interview day came. He wore clean clothes and stayed calm. Inside the room, the interviewer asked questions in English. Ali listened carefully. He answered slowly but clearly. He made small mistakes, but he did not panic. He stayed confident. After the interview, he felt proud of himself. No matter the result, he had improved a lot. A few days later, he received a call. He got the job. He could not believe it. Tears came into his eyes. He remembered his struggles, his failures, and his fear. His family celebrated happily. His father hugged him tightly. His mother smiled with tears. His sister said, "You did it." That moment changed everything. Ali realized that success is not magic. It is hard work, patience, and daily effort. Every small step matters. Every mistake teaches something, and never giving up is the real secret of success in life. Chapter 6. Ali's journey teaches a powerful lesson for everyone. He was not special. He was not perfect. He was just a normal boy with fear and doubt. But he chose to continue when things became difficult. That made all the difference. English was never the real problem. Fear was the real problem, and he faced it step by step. Today, Ali speaks English with confidence. Not perfect, but strong and clear. And that is enough. Now listen carefully. If you are afraid to speak English, start today. Do not wait for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. If you make mistakes, do not stop. Mistakes are part of learning. If people laugh at you, ignore them. Your growth is more important. Practice every day, even for a few minutes. Speak simple sentences. Learn one word daily. Keep going forward. Small steps create big results. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. because your future depends on your effort. You are stronger than your fear. You are bigger than your excuses. So take action now. Stand up and start learning. Work hard every day. Stay consistent. Never give up. One day, you will look back and feel proud. Just like Ali did. Your journey starts today. Your success is waiting for you.